Beautiful day up here in the Midwest. One of our nicest days in a long time. Sun shining and everything. What's going on, Six Speeders? Beautiful day. And if y'all saw my last video, the Louvers, you saw them how they were shipped and everything. So I wanted just to take the time to show you what they fully look like on the FRS. So here's what it looks like. You guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm so sorry about all the dirt and everything. It's been very, very cold the last few weeks, so I haven't had the chance to wash it, but it looks very, very good in my personal opinion. Very, very mean and everything. I've been considering putting on the back window louver. I've really been considering that to give it the full look, but all in all, it looks pretty good in my personal opinion. And it also matches with the black inky rims. Gives it its own characteristics and everything. So I know some of you guys are wondering, is this really, really hard to do? And for all the people that are pros already know the answer. So this is all the supplies that you'll need to put on your own window louvers if you choose to. So basically what you want to do if you do choose to put on window louvers is you basically want to clean up your window with glass cleaner. This is what I did. I used glass cleaner, wipe the windows very, very good, and then I used rubbing alcohol. You could basically, your main goal is just to wipe off any grease or any thumbprints on the window, make it as clean as possible for them. That way the tape will stick on. So the window louvers only cost me like 20 bucks, like I said last video. It came with 2 louvers and 3M tape. So pretty simple setup. It was very, very easy to do. It only took me about, I started at 4:25, I was done by 4:45. So no longer than 20 minutes, if that. And it's a pretty simple process. And I know some of you guys have been wondering, is it easy to see out of? Is it a hassle? Is it everything? So to answer that question, here's what it looks like on the interior. So this is what it looks like from the passenger side on the driver's angle. Not that bad at all. You can have great visibility. So not bad at all for my driver's visibility for angling onto the driver's side. I can see everything just fine. So am I happy with the window louvers for the sides? Short answer, yes, very. I'm very, very happy with them because they make the car look pretty cool. They're a very, very cheap mod, and they're not that big of a hassle to put on. Honestly, like I said, the longest part was just trying to put them on, which the trick is just open up your driver's or passenger's door, and it should be an easy straight shot to the back window. Boom. And hopefully put on a back window louver. I think it would honestly put a great finish to the car and make it look mean and everything. So that's it for this video, you guys. You guys are awesome. If you have not seen last week's video, it's down in the link below. Come email me at 6speeders@2019gmail.com. Also, come follow me on Instagram, SmithEM2000, and stay tuned for more of the FRS build and everything because we're just getting the party started. Thank you guys so much, and see you in the next video.